All right, so second to last video here, we're gonna look at the head. I say second to last because if you look, we still have cams in it, spark plugs in it, oil filter housing on. It's not fully taken apart yet, but blocks at the machine shop. So in terms of deck surface and other things like that, I can give you the inside scoop before this thing goes off to head games. So like I said, deck surface was looking money. My machine guy said everything is good there. No gasket material prematurely expiring. Head gasket looks great. No signs of leak in there. We don't reuse it, so trash you go. For the valves, you're gonna see striping here, 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 and there. Goes down the whole board, but I'm just showing you what just a couple cylinders look like. Here's what I want you to look at though. All of these lines go in separate directions. You can see the striping goes that way, but then on this one, it goes up and down. This one's diagonal, this one's also diagonal. But you can tell, look at the point. It's in front of the little dot here in the center point. This one is behind it. So that tells you that these valves were literally spinning in their place on top of contacting the piston. No good. So your valve guides are probably warped and cooked. Valve seats, I know, are cooked because the valve was coming back at different angles. So that's all chewed up. For the cams, usually the cams won't take a beating from that. Like I said, still have to take this all apart. But yeah, for terms of the video before it goes off to Dave at Head Games, I just wanted to show you what I've found. It goes across the whole board. Like I said, these valves were turning, valves are bent, guides are bent, seats are gonna be bent. And the springs have probably collapsed. The spring, usually when it goes down, it has enough, but when you contact piston, you smush it even more. Try to imagine like a slinky, what happens if you step on it. Not good. That's what we call coil bind. And when that kind of stuff happens, that spring is trash. So unfortunately, it will need valves, seats, guides, springs, and retainers. Cams we can leave stock, but that'll be completely up to you. You don't really, I don't really think we're shooting for a ton of power here, so leaving the cam stock won't hurt anything. It'll still drive perfect like stock. It'll be a little bit cost effective too. So overall, it looks to be a good rebuildable core. These things are common for having cracks, but none there.